Akshay Rajshekharan, you have heard our chief guest, Ms. Gauri Kumar, as well as earlier youth guest. Now, we would like to know from you, role of youth in policy making. Mr. Akshay Rajshekharan, please.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for
No, you,
providing me this
yeah.
amazing opportunity. Thank you for providing this amazing opportunity, and thank you, Lal sir, and Gauri Kumari ma'am, and all the guests over here, and all the people. I'm Akshay Rashikran, like born and brought up in KGF, studied in Kendra Vidyalaya, and did my engineering from Bangalore Reva University, and after that, like I wanted to start something big and new. I wanted to become a job provider than job seeker, and I was fortunate enough to have like so many mentors in my life. As in Indian tradition we go about, like it tells, like Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. Like no matter what, like how smart, tall, or intelligent you are, you always need a mentor in your life. And in today's, as per today's topic, like role of youth in policy making. See, today's generations are the smartest people out there. If you see in the history of the world, like we live in the world where technology, like everything we have at fingertips, like we can use, like if we see in the olden days, if someone has to become an actor or an actress, want to do something great, they had to have like so much money. Only the kings or the queens or the super powerful people were able to lead the world and help. Now today the technology, everything is at fingertips. We can use the technology and make a world a better place to live. And right now I'm a consultant. I help people to start and grow businesses, and I help people from 15 different countries. Basically I have seen like so many people, they want to do big things, and basically it's all about taking a person from a current situation to desired situation in the least possible time. How we can do that is learning, asking. Only when we ask we get it, and that's why it is so important. As Gauri Kumari ma'am said, like today's youth, like almost like 45% people are like below 25 years. And it's all about like the ground foundations. If people are taught with great discipline, like ability to think, curiosity, and that is what makes youth different than most people out there. Because youth have the ability to think. They're like super intelligent, emotional, cognitive intelligence. They are always curious. And it is like it's often said, like youth, like a small child can learn like so many languages compared to a person who is like 45 years or like 60 years, because they have so many responsibilities. And because today's youth can literally change the world and do like mass innovation, radical shifts. Like if you see world's great innovations, like today's youth can do it. It's all about, they need like proper guidance, like step by step. As even some great people like Jack Ma said, right? Like you don't need to work in a big company. You need to have a good mentor or a good boss so that they can show you the right direction. Because that's what I realized after having so many mentors. And even Saint Kabir tells, Guru Bade Govind say, like Guru is the person who can show you the way, like teachers and mentors, whom I'm super grateful for. And it's like so important, because whatever we do, like business or whatever it is, everything is all about like cause and effect. Like if our causes are good, like we'll be rewarded. If our causes are bad, like we will be like punished. Like even as Gita tells, like in Bhagavad Gita, like you must never expect for what you're going to get. Be doing good thing, be a doer in life. And that is why it is so important. And I realized like we always have to be trying, and we must never stop doing, always keep on learning, right? And that is why it is so important. Because success is like very simple. It's like cause and effect. Like apple a day keeps a doctor away. In the same way, like we always have to be learning, and we have to see what is that one thing which we can constantly be improving. A small 1% increment, like small 1% improvement every single day, like will help us to grow whole together, like next level. And it is all about like getting feedback. See, we have to work in a team, and we have to always be in the leadership. Like we have to help people. Like life is like very simple. 33 is to 33 is to 33 is to formula which I follow. 33% of our life we have to learn from elders, experts who are already doing the things what we are doing, and asking out our why. What is our mission, vision, and mission in our goal? Like we have to figure out what is our why, and that is the most important thing. And we are human beings, we are like super powerful, and we have to know that, and we have to do extremely what we love to do, and that's how we can change the world, right? Today's world, like we can today's world, it's all about like the youth can control it, and that's how we can make a world a better place to live. And I always have a birth defect. I want to create a radical shift in the world, right? Like being a visionary, because youths are the, like visionaries. They think a lot. Like when you ask a small child, he will tell you which dress to wear. Like they think in a different way, and it is much easier, because that's why we have to give like lot of education, because education, like Mahatma Gandhi said, education is the only way where you can change the world, right? And that's why it is so important giving the right information, right knowledge. When we give them, like youth can literally transform, and like by using technologies like blockchain, cryptocurrency, all these things which can make a world a better place to live. And thank you so much for providing this opportunity, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Akshay Rajshekharan. And one
Yes.
point you have made, very important point, that was that you are blessed to have so many mentors and gurus.
Yes.
But
Thank you, sir.
today, in this COVID time, these gurus or the teachers or the educators are facing very, very tough time. And the role of youth is also very important if they take care of at least one teacher. Just see, because the teacher community cannot beg, they cannot ask anyone to give anything to them, but they are facing lots of problem, financial problem, mental problem, physical problem. If youth will come and take this cause, as you have mentioned, so that will be a Guru Dakshina, which is required today. So though everywhere, wherever you are in the world, please give some time and think what they are, how they are facing trouble, and whatsoever with your own means you can give some help to them. Thank you very much, Mr. Akshay, for giving
Thank
very,
you, sir.
very good views. I must say, very noble views. Thank you very much. Now I would like to